Hello, my name is Mike. I am sales manager and sales engineer here at SMM in Munich, Germany. I'm here in our little S6 studio, and I would like to show you today how our facelift for the Avid S6 is installed, how it fits, and about the parts. It's a very easy job, can be done by anyone in the world, and yeah, here we go. That's all you need to lift up the modules of an S6 so you can see the high-res displays better. So it consists of mainly of those parts which you see here. These are the sidewalls. It's actually not one piece, it's many pieces, as you can see in here. It's bolted together. That's a very special piece made in a very precise way. So we have two of those. So you can have one module lifted up, and you can have an L kind of expansion, so you can lift up several modules. I'll just start off right now, take one of the sides, and would be a pleasure if you follow me just to my Avid S6 console over there. So just have a look at the back side here. It's a small clip, so that one fits perfectly in there. It slides in smoothly, and we have the same snap in here as we normally would have with the T-strips. So that one fits perfect in there. I just grab the backside panel. The backside panel has a small U which faces downwards, and I take one of those U's here, which are just inserted there, to then bolt it to the sidewall. So take 2, 3 of those screws that come with that. Take that one, take the U facing down, put it right there. Just take my time to adjust it a little bit. Take that, could then do that before, of course, as well. Take my screws, put it in there. Okay, all the threads are in that little L. So even if you bolt it in, bolt it, unbolt it 100 times, the only thing you could lose is this small silver angle. You never have to worry about any thread that goes wrong in your more expensive metal parts here. So here we go. Second, pretty easy. Third. Okay. I'll pick up the next sidewall. Here we go. Take the L, put it back in. So tight. Take the second sidewall, slide it in here. Have a look that it's snapping into the back side. Yeah, here we go. Okay, a little bit more to the back. Angle it in, and then just bolt it down. 1 and 2. Pretty easy. Facelifts in. So all you have to do right now, take your knot modules as you're used to, slide it back in. 1, 2, get your compression plate. Get that one, oh sorry, this way, face it downwards. Bolt your display on, of course, that's something you need to do. We have special T-strips, okay? So you are not in need to do it yourself. We just put that T-strip in there and put it in place. So P-strip goes down here, fits in there, and then we have 2 more go at the top. They fit quite tight in there. That's necessary because our T-strips are different in the way they fit in. And this is it. We got a facelift. It's a 10-degree higher lift. You can see about 300% more of your displays if you sit in front of it. We have plenty of videos and pictures. This one was just to show how easy it is to install a facelift. You can put a next one to it, another one. As you absolutely see, you can have next to a facelifted, you can have a flat one or a lifted one. So that's up to you. And it's very modular. That means you can easily move it around. If you move the modules around, you can move your facelifts around. So you don't have to disassemble the whole chassis or the whole base frame. Okay, that was it. Short video, easy to go, easy job. Thank you. Mike Hofer, SMM.